విద్యార్థులకు మీరు ఒకసారి మైక్ ఇవ్వాల్సిందిగా రిక్వెస్ట్ చేస్తున్నాం. మొదట త్రిబుల్ ఐటీకి సంబంధించినటువంటి విద్యార్థులు పార్థసారథి రెడ్డి గారికి మైక్ ఇవ్వండి.
Honorable Chief Minister, respected dignitaries and teachers and all my dear friends, a very good afternoon. Today I am very honored and also very confident that today I am very honored to speak with you, and I am very gratitude to have our Tribal IT Mahabub Nagar in Mahabub Nagar. I am very thankful for that our Honorable Chief Minister CM Revanth Reddy and also our Honorable MLA NM Srinivas Reddy Garu. And we have also known that our Mahabubnagar district is known as Venukabadda Jilla, but not now because we have frontward MLA, frontward CM, our Honorable Revanth Reddy Garu. And also we the student make sure that Mahabubnagar may be a backward district, but not will be a backward district in advance, because we have everything that our MLA sir and our collector and our Honorable CM Revanth Reddy Garu is giving everything. And as we are getting our new campus ready, we are very happy for that. And I am sincerely showing gratitude to you, sir. Very thanks you. Thank you.
Parsaradi,
Sir.
thank you very much. As you rightly said, Mahabubnagar district is a very lucky district, most backward district. At the same time, you got a leader who is committed to Mahabubnagar, committed to Telangana. I just want to ask you one question on behalf of Chief Minister.
Yes, sir.
What is your dream?
Sir, my dream is to become an IAS officer.
To become an IAS officer. Good, good. How do you view the society? What is your responsibility?
Sir, I want to make sure that everyone should be educated and be aware of everything that what's going on our surrounding.
Now, one last simple question.
Yes, sir.
Does education make you perfect, or education and cultural change you make perfect?
So both.
Very good. Thank you.
Education and also everything, sir. I trust more than knowledge, we have to have wisdom.
Yes, absolutely right.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Pastor. On behalf of Chief Minister, thank you.
Sir, and I have one question for you,
Yeah, go
for
ahead.
everyone. Sir, everyone have inspiration and motivation. As like I have inspiration my father and motivation my mother. What is your inspiration and motivation? And what is the message for all younger generation so that they can succeed in life?
I'll tell you something. One of the greatest cultures the world has seen, we have contributed to the world, is first we respect our parents. First we respect our parents. And we say, Matru Devo Bhava, Pitru Devo Bhava. And secondly, combination of mother and father is Guru. Guru Devo Bhava. So inspiration is either mother or father, both of them. Mother is a boisterous, she shows a boisterous love. Father is a silent lover. Both of them, you need their blessings. But the guidance of your teacher, the guidance of your guru is the most important thing. And the culture where you have growing up, that is more important. It will reflect on your future, in your wisdom, your vision, and your commitment. So as far as I am concerned, it is my father, it is my mother, and it is my guru. So I always believe in Guru Tattva. Hopefully, you will follow, and remember, you are part of the society, you are accountable to the society. Thank you.
Sir, and I also expecting few words with CM. Sir.
Yeah. No, one, just hold on. We want not equality, we encourage girls. We are partial there. So Chief Minister was telling me, look, call the girls, come on, who is coming forward? Chal. Sri Vidya Triple IT. Come this side. Good afternoon, Sri Vidya.
Good afternoon, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir. Thank you.
So go ahead. Please go ahead. Introduce yourself. Go ahead.
Good afternoon to all. Myself, Srividya. First of all, I'm very glad to be a part of this program today with all great people over here. I have completed my SSC in ZPHS Girls Badapalli Jetchala Mandal. I have got 565 in my SSC. Presently, now I'm studying PUC 1 in Rajiv Gandhi University of Knowledge Technologies, Triple IT, Mahbub Nagar. Sir, I wanted to express my deepest gratitude to all the great peoples who have worked very hard to give us such a great, amazing opportunity to have our education in IIT, Triple IT, Mahbub Nagar. First of all, many students in many villages were struggling to get a proper education, and getting an opportunity in Triple IT, Mahbub Nagar is not at all easy. It is very amazing opportunity. From that, we can get a valuable education without free of neglecting fees. And also, we know that Palamuru is a great and luckiest district which get an amazing chance to have such a great university over here. And also I wanted to thank our local MLA Shri Anirudh Reddy sir and Srinivas Reddy sir, Mahbub Nagar MLA, and our Vice Chancellor sir and Principal sir, and our great Chief Minister sir for giving us this opportunity. And I feel our Mahbub Nagar district students will definitely make you proud, and who got opportunity in Triple IT Mahbub Nagar will work very hard and make it as familiar, as famous as Triple IT Basar. And also, sir, we wanted to thank you for giving many opportunities to all our students of Telangana state. And from your, as we know that authority can change anything. After your authorities, we got many opportunities. From 6th to 10th, we got digital classes, very good midday meals, and also all textbooks, uniforms, and very valuable and very good education. Thank you for giving me this golden opportunity. Thank you.
Sri Vidya, you got leadership quality.
Thank you, sir.
You're a good communicator.
Thank you, sir.
So what is your dream?
As great people have great dreams, that I wanted to be an UPSC cracker, or I wanted to be IAS officer, sir.
You want to be an IAS officer?
Yes.
Oh, congrats. But you got that quality.
Thank
You know,
you,
the
sir.
chief minister is always partial or more favorable towards the girls.
Thank
And
you,
the girl child.
Yes.
The girl child. Because if the girl is educated, if the girl... Come. And I want to introduce you to the Principal Secretary Education Telangana. She is an IAS. Collector. Vijayendra collector. Where is the SP? Come down. Now, your Principal Secretary Education is Yogita Rana, Srimati Yogita Rana. She is a native of Kashmir.